We got the fridge. Nice. We just need to put some drinks, some bangs or something. Whenever you're working on the car, you have an energy drink, and that's good. Alright, brand new fridge. Cool. I have posters on the Real Origin website that you guys can buy if you guys want. You guys don't have to, but I mean, if you guys show support and get yourself a poster, then that means a lot. So I will be adding one of those over here, and then probably a flag, Real Origin, right there. And then yeah, we made a lot of progress on this garage, so it's time to put all the nice stuff on the wall. So if you have something like a sticker, posters that you guys have, I mean, you guys can send it over, and whenever I make a new video, I'll shout you guys out and say who sent the sticker. You know, like, it means a lot if you guys send something. Trying to fill this wall with posters, stickers. So if you guys have something, drop in the comments, let me know. And basically I have my address down in the comments below. So it's been such a long time since I took out the car to a car show or anything like that. So today's video, we're gonna go to a car meet and then show you guys all the cars, all the nice cars that we have. All right, so finally washed the car, and then I waxed the car, and to be honest, it looks amazing. So right now we are almost out of E85, and this is gonna be my first time doing normal gas 91. So the homie Marco said to run 91 once in a while, that way it cleans the whole lines of the E85. So we're gonna go to Chevron and get 91, and just so you guys can see, god damn, this car looks clean. Just so you guys can see a quick view, nice and waxed, and it looks amazing. So let's head over there. We're gonna go to a car meet, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, spread this video all over YouTube, and you guys are able to make this happen. So let's go. Like you guys know, we gotta arrive to the car meet in style, so we're gonna go with our Demonize, and this is how they look. So I'll show you guys real quick. There it is. So we got our Demonize. Car looks amazing, so let's head over there. Alright guys, I'm not lying to you, we have 25 miles left, so we're gonna go do 91, and let's see how this goes. Alright boys, we're getting a lot of compliments here in the gas station. So there it is, we are doing 91 for the first time. So it's gonna be interesting because we have the flex fuel kit. So alright, so funny thing is that I really noticed from the start, like when I take off on first gear, I can notice the power it has decreased. It doesn't feel the same as the E85. Obviously we dropped some horsepower putting 91, so yeah, definitely you can feel it, and that's what I'm feeling right now. I check some cars. We have the G. Check some right there. Some of the nicest cars. Oh, look at this car. That's nice. That's so sick. That GTR though, nice. Shit, we got a 240. Mine the same, but it has a body kit. Okay. Yeah. So Type R. Let's go check the cars. Yo, that's good. I like this. Actually, I was gonna do this wrap instead of the red that I have, but I changed my mind. Still. Check out these wheels. God damn. That's dope. One day, boys. Beamer. Got a bike. Got an FRS. It's dope.
What I was looking for is not my exhaust or lowering my car, and your whip popped up in my suggested.
Oh, yeah.
So I looked you up and I noticed your shit was a 1.6 G37 before, right?
Yes.
You used to be white.
Yes.
Your car used to be white. I remember back then when you were white, bro. Back in on Save, I'm not sure where it was, but I noticed a 1.6 G37 and I was watching your videos and I noticed that back then it was the same shit that I saw.
Yeah, it was
now
white
I was
before.
like, bro, you fucking built that shit quick, dude.
It's getting there.
It's getting there? What do you
getting-
mean? What? Dude, you just put those tips on, no? Those
Yeah, the
5-inch
5-inch
tips? How they been treating you?
Good.
Does it sound different though or no?
Deeper. Sounds
Deeper, really?
Yeah.
With just the tips?
Yeah, just the tips. I'm surprised. Like,
What the
I know.
fuck, bro? That's crazy. You roll solo or?
Yeah, right now, yeah, but just by myself. Yeah.
Solo, that's cool,
Yeah, that's
bro. It's cool to just see something on YouTube and just run into it, you know what I mean? What do you do to maintain the paint? I mean the wrap.
Just wax it.
Just waxing
Just
it?
waxing it, yeah. Alright guys, there you guys have it. We have a fellow subscriber. He has a G37 as well. And he got surprised seeing my car over here. It was like, look, nothing special. Look at those 5-inch tips, god damn. Whew. G37 looking amazing. Whew. God damn. It's not bad at all. It's a nice puppy. Nice puppy. That's so sick. Got the muscle cars. God damn. Sometimes. Nice sea over here. This is so sick. I'm thinking about doing underglow on the G. What do you guys think? Drop in the comments. That's dope. We gotta bring underglow back. Alright boys, just came here for about an hour, so I'm about to head out. Alright boys, we just arrived. Car is garage and it's gonna stay there. Check out those headlights, check out the LEDs. Nice. I hope you guys like this type of video, so let me know, drop in the comments something different. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace. Yo, no mames, way. Are those 5-inch tips? Nah, fool.